Q1. Which among the following was a significant contribution of the Europeans to Kerala? A. Introduction of the Devadasi system. B. Introduction of printing press. C. Abolition of slavery. D. Establishment of the Nair Brigade. Answer. B. Introduction of printing press. Explanation. The Portuguese introduced the printing press in Kerala at Cochin in 1556, which was one of the earliest in India. It played a key role in spreading education and literature. The other options are unrelated or were internal reforms. Q2. Who is credited with the integration and modernization of Travancore's army, known as the Travancore model? A. Veluthampi Dalawa. B. Marthandavarma. C. Swathi Thirunal. D. Sri Chithira Thirunal. B. Marthandavarma. Explanation. Marthandavarma, 1729–1758, is known for defeating the Dutch at the Battle of Colachul, 1741, abolishing feudal militias, and creating a standing army, a model for other Indian states. Q3. Who among the following was not directly associated with the social and religious reform movement in Kerala? A. Sri Narayana Guru. B. Vaikunda Swamikal. C. Thaikad Aya. D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. D. Explanation. Gokhale was an Indian nationalist leader and a social reformer based in Maharashtra. The others worked extensively in Kerala for social reforms. Q4. The British East India Company gained Diwani rights over Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa through which treaty? A. Treaty of Allahabad. B. Treaty of Salbai. C. Treaty of Seringapatam. D. Treaty of Bassein. Answer. Treaty of Allahabad. Explanation. After the Battle of Buxar, 1764, the Treaty of Allahabad, 1765, granted the company the right to collect revenue, Diwani, in Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. Q5. Which among the following newspapers was not started during the freedom struggle? A. Kesari, Young India. C. Indian Opinion. D. The Hindu. Answer. D. The Hindu. Explanation. The Hindu was established in 1878, mainly as a general newspaper. The others, Kesari by Tilak, Young India, and Indian Opinion by Gandhi, were explicitly linked to the freedom struggle. Q6. The Dar Commission 1948 and JVP Committee 1949 were related to A. Linguistic reorganization of states. B. Abolition of zamindari. C. Education policy. D. Industrial policy. Answer. A. Linguistic reorganization of states. Explanation. Both the Dar Commission and the JVP Committee examined the demand for linguistic states. Initially, they opposed it, but public pressure led to the formation of Andhra Pradesh in 1953 and further reorganization in 1956. World History. Q7. Which of the following best describes the significance of the English Revolution of 1688? A. Abolition of monarchy in England. B. Establishment of a constitutional monarchy. C. Introduction of communism. D. End of British imperialism. Answer. B. Establishment of a constitutional monarchy. Explanation. The Glorious Revolution of 1688 led to the overthrow of James II and the establishment of a constitutional monarchy under William and Mary, with powers limited by Parliament. Q8. The slogan "No taxation without representation" is associated with which historical event? A. French Revolution. B. Russian Revolution. C. American War of Independence. D. Chinese Revolution. Answer. C. American War of Independence. Explanation. The American colonists protested against British taxes without having any representatives in the British Parliament, which became a key slogan of their independence movement, 1775 to 1783. Q9. Which among the following was not an immediate result of the Second World War? A. Creation of the United Nations. B. Emergence of the USA and USSR as superpowers. C. Independence of India. D. Beginning of the Cold War. Answer. C. Independence of India. Explanation. While World War II weakened Britain's hold over India, independence came later in 1947. The other three were direct consequences of the war ending in 1945. Q10. The Cultural Revolution launched in 1966 was associated with A. Russia. B. USA. C. China. D. Cuba. Answer. China. Explanation. Mao Zedong launched the Cultural Revolution in China to